6688. I'll be out with a vehicle driving in the wrong lane to travel.
So why are you driving in the wrong lane?
I was trying to get over. I'm trying to get over.
How did you end up in this lane?
Trust me, bro. I was trying to get over. I just got off work.
Okay, but how did you end up on the wrong side of traffic?
I cut over because the car was blocking me. I'm just trying to get to my wife. I'm calling her right now.
You don't need to call her. That's irrelevant to the situation. You can't just drive in the opposite lane of travel. You got your driver's license? You eating a sandwich driving in the wrong lane.
Address of the emergency.
Why are you calling 911?
I'm not calling her.
You're on the phone with 911 right now. Hey, it's Deputy Ricketts. You can disconnect. I'm not sure why he's calling you.
Okay, is everything okay, Deputy?
Yeah, we're on a traffic stop. How much have you had to drink today? How much have you had to drink today? Sir, put your phone down for me. Huh? Go ahead and put down the sandwich for me.
Please leave your
Put
message.
down the sandwich. No, put down the sandwich. Okay. I can't hear you.
Right over here. Right over here.
It doesn't matter where you live. You're driving in the wrong lane.
I understand. I was going to cut across right here.
Where did you come out on the 441 or on the 40?
Right there.
Right where?
Right there.
Where?
Right there.
Go ahead.
Right by the Walmart.
What parking lot did you come out of?
Right by the Walmart.
So you've been driving this way since Wawa?
No. I cut across. That thing was moving slow.
All right, my man, turn the car for me, please. And hand me the keys. Appreciate it.
I mean, I'm going to jail. I already know what that means.
Doesn't mean you're going to jail, but I believe you may be intoxicated.
I am intoxicated.
I didn't hear what you said.
I am intoxicated.
You said you are intoxicated a little bit? Okay.
I know you're going to take me to jail.
Well, are you willing to do field sobriety exercises with me to prove that you're good to drive?
So I can't keep eating myself.
No.
Why is that?
Because at this point right now, I just need you to relax where you're at, not eat the sandwich, and we'll deal with the situation as it is.
I'm going to jail.
You see this right here? You see the tip of this pen?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I want you to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Well,
Right here.
yes, sir.
Don't move your head, okay? Look straight at it. Look straight at it.
Yes, sir.
Straighten your head out. Alright. Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Don't move your head, okay? Right here. Right here. Don't move your head, okay?
I know that.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to use this line, okay?
Okay.
So if you want to take a few steps backwards for me. Alright, right there's good. Do me a favor, put your left foot on that line. Put your right foot in front of it, heel to toe. And put your arms down by your side. Now I want you to maintain that position until I tell you to do otherwise. Do you understand? Nope, don't start until I tell you to. Just maintain that position. Alright, so put your left foot on that line. Put your right foot in front of it, heel to toe. And put your arms down by your side. And I want you to maintain that position until I tell you to do otherwise. Do you understand?
Wait. You got me up, man. I hate this.
Have you done these before?
Yeah, I hate this.
Have you been arrested for DUI before?
Have I been arrested with you? Yeah.
Alright, your left foot on the line, your right foot in front of it, heel to toe. Your arms down at your side, okay? Make sure you look at your feet and count each step out loud. Yep. Make sure you look at your feet and count each step out loud, okay?
Alright.
Yep. And then you're going to take your 9 steps back.
Okay, 9 steps back?
9 heel to toe steps back. Alright, go ahead and relax for me, okay?
I'm going to jail, right?
You can relax.
I'm going to jail, right?
I didn't say you're going to jail. I still got a couple more exercises to go through with you. Go ahead and begin whenever you're ready. Count out loud for me, boss.
I'm down 1, I'm down 2, I'm down 3, I'm down 4, I'm down 5, I'm down 6, I'm down 7, I'm down 8, down 9. I'm going to jail.
Don't stop until I tell you to, okay?
I'm down 10, I'm down 11, I'm down 12, I'm down 13, I'm down 14, I'm down 15, I'm down 16, I'm down 17, I'm down 18, I'm down 19, I'm down 20, I'm down...
You don't stop. Alright, my man. So you want me to place under arrest for DUI, okay?